Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Manage Ubisoft Connect notification. Well, today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your Ubisoft Connect notification. So, this is very useful if your notification won't go away. So, I'm going to teach you how to make your notification, or if your notification doesn't go away, I'll teach you how to do that. So, the first thing you need to do when you're going to manage your notification in Ubisoft Connect, click on right here. After clicking on that, in your next to your profile picture, go to settings. Once you're here at settings, to see you there's enable cloud save to connect and everything. You're here in the general. So, but now we're not gonna focus on that. We're gonna go to notification. So let's click notification. So once you're here, as you can see right now, here are all the notification. There's social, games, and progression. So, if you're getting bothered by any notification in Ubisoft Connect, you can just either off that notification or you can just off them all. That there you go. And the Ubisoft Connect won't notify you anymore. So there. And you can also choose which notification you want and which you don't want. For example, when a friend invites you to join party, well, I want my friends to I want to my Ubisoft Connect to notify me if my friends are if they want me to join their party. So I'll leave that on. What about this? When you get a friend request, I don't want any friend request, I'm gonna off it. But for the video's sake, I don't have any friends, so I'm not gonna bother with this. So I'm just gonna leave that on. If I ever had friends, yeah, I don't have friends. All right, let's go to games. So games, you can right here you can see when a game has finished downloading, very useful. So leave that on. When a game is ready to play, very useful. Leave it on. When a game's update is available, not very useful. Just close it. When a screenshot is taken, not very useful too. You can just close those, and there you go, guys. That's how you manage your notification in Ubisoft Connect. So if it's still bothering you the notification, just off them all. And as you can see right here, enable PC push notification, just off that. And also this one, off this one too. And if still not working, you can do the old fashioned way. Just go right here, bottom right corner here, and find the Ubisoft Connect. Right, there we go. Then right click, then quit. Once you click it, there's no notification that will be added to you. And or you can just do the task manager thing. Open the task manager whenever you start up, then don't let Ubisoft Connect start up with you. Or if it's not closing right here, you can just end its task right here, and it won't send any notification to you anymore. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.